Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you that how to realistically retouch your skin in Photoshop. So let's start our process. First of all, open Photoshop and import your image. So this is a raw image without editing or any retouching. If you want to download this image, then the link is in the description of this video. You can download it for the practice. Now first we have to remove these pimples and then we will smooth our skin. First press Ctrl J to make a copy of this layer. Then select Spot Healing Brush tool. Zoom in. Simply click on the pimples to remove them. So as you can see, this is that we have removed all pimples from the skin. This one is left, yes. Now press Ctrl J to make a copy of this layer. Then zoom in. Now select the mixer brush tool. Make a soft round brush. Select a soft round brush. Make sure that the first one is unchecked and the second one is checked. Select custom, make its width to 5%, load to 11%, mix to 80 to 85%, and flow to 100%. If you are using a vacuum tablet, if you are using a graphic tablet, then check now. After all these settings, brush it on the skin softly. Now make its opacity to about 70 and fill to about 90. Yes, I think fill is on 100 is perfect and opacity is about 85. Yes. Now hide the background layer and press Ctrl Shift E to merge these layers. Now convert this image to a smart object. Now when we apply any effect on this image, it will apply as a smart filter. So go to filter, select blur, then select Gaussian blur. First make a copy of this layer. Now select the copy layer, go to filter, go to blur, select Gaussian blur. Press OK. Make a mask around it, press Ctrl I. Then select the brush tool and rub it over there. Make sure that the foreground color is white. It will smooth the skin. Now make its opacity to about 60%. So as you can see this makes our skin soft. So now press Ctrl Shift E to merge all these layers. Now we will apply the dodge and burn technique on our image. If you want to learn the dodge and burn technique in detail, then check this video. The link is in the description of this video, so check it out after watching this video. So as you can see I have applied the dodge and burn technique on our image. So this is before applying the dodge and burn technique, this is after applying the dodge and burn technique. You can simply decrease its opacity. Yes, press Ctrl Shift E to merge all these layers. Press Ctrl Shift A to open camera raw. Go to third one option, which is detail, and increase its amount. It will add a detail to our skin, not too much. Press OK. So this is how you can retouch your skin in Photoshop. This is the before image and this is the after image. So as you can see that how quickly we retouch our skin in Photoshop in a very simple way. If you like this video, then press that like button, and please subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon to get instant notifications of my new videos. Goodbye.